one thing I want to go back to the very first start of the podcast. I'm just going to make this quick statement because how Will and Caleb got involved, and actually how I got involved as well, is a lot of people, especially they'll come to me and they see what I do with the firefighters and the police and at the gym here, and they go, hey, I want to be a part of it. I'll do anything. Just tell me what to do. And I want to make it clear that when you say that, you are not bringing value. You have now created a job for me to find a job for you. And so if you really want to be a part of a team, if you really want to step out there and join something, show up, observe, find a way that you could do value, bring value, and then just do the work that brings that value. Don't ask for what you could do or tell me what to do. I'll do anything. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that. So when you reach out, just do the work. That is all.
Yeah, I'm telling you, Caleb and Will just creeped in.
Yeah, like, they did the work.
Like water under the fucking door. I mean, it's nuts. I cannot fucking believe that there's 4 of us on this team doing this. It's fucking bizarre.